Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, adventurers, to the wonderful world of cooking in Breath of the Wild. This simple mechanic is absolutely crucial for your journey across Hyrule. Cooking allows you to restore hearts, sure, but it also grants incredible boosts like increased attack, defense, or even resistance to extreme temperatures. Imagine soaring through the skies, then landing to whip up a delicious meal. It's truly a game changer for exploration and combat. To start cooking, you'll need a cooking pot, which usually has a fire lit underneath it. You'll spot these scattered all over Hyrule, often at stables, villages, or even some enemy camps. Just open your inventory, select up to 5 ingredients you want to combine, then choose Hold. Approach the glowing pot, and a prompt will appear for you to drop them in. It's that simple to create something nourishing and potent for your adventures. The real magic happens when you start mixing ingredients strategically. Most food items create meals, while combining a monster part with an insect or critter makes an elixir. Each ingredient type provides specific buffs, like the sneaky effect from silent shrooms or the chilly effect from chill shrooms. Just remember, don't mix food items with monster parts or insects, or you'll end up with a rather unappetizing, dubious food, which offers very little benefit. For those looking to truly master the culinary arts, there are a few advanced tricks. Throwing in a rare item like a dragon's scale or shard of horn will drastically extend the duration of your dish's effects, making those buffs last much longer. Also, if you cook exactly during a blood moon, you'll always get a critical success, boosting your meal's power even more. And don't forget, you can simply drop single ingredients onto an open flame to roast or bake them for a quick, basic snack. Ultimately, the best way to become a master chef in Breath of the Wild is to simply experiment. Don't be afraid to throw together different ingredients, see what happens, and discover new recipes. Reading the item descriptions will give you clues about their properties, guiding your culinary creations. Cooking adds so much depth and strategy to the game, empowering Link with incredible abilities and helping him overcome any challenge. Enjoy creating your perfect feast in Hyrule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.